Good morning, it's a brand new day. Getting this day kick-started. Some Mickey D's. Got a mobile order that I put in. I'm in the parking spot. And this McDonald's that I'm at in town, it takes a good minute to get it. I guess one of the things that's best about cooking at home is you know exactly when your food's gonna be ready. And how it's being prepared too. Alright, the bag has been secured. May not be the healthiest option, but hey, I did get it. Let's see, it's 9:53 now. Looks like it's gonna be a cloudy day, but good temperatures. It's like 68 degrees out here. Alright, that's my breakfast. Went to the donut shop and they gave me this and a free bag of donut holes. Smell that? Smells of fresh coffee beans to kickstart the day. That's nice fresh brew of coffee and donut holes. Alright, thanks. One of the best Korean restaurants in East Texas. You want to see a funny address? 420 High Street. Classic. What you gonna do without your cell phone? Living in Texas now for what, like almost 15 years? You know, it's been a transitional change, and I would say that I have a pretty good life out here. Got my own place, got my own car, got some good friends, my own business. Things are going well. Just kind of reflecting back on things. Things are going good. There's the aftermath of all that Panda Korea. Didn't get to film all of it, but there's plenty enough food for the both of us. There are so many different girl groups and K-pop groups that I don't even know who's who anymore. Well, this one right here is BTS. The thing about East Texas is there's a lot of trees out here. A lot of trails out here too. During the springtime, it makes for good weather. Fresh air. Lead the way. Okay. Enjoy the weather right now. Oh, it's still cool. In a few months, we'll be looking forward to these cooler temperatures. Shopping time. With the creation of this Pacific Market store, saves us a trip from going out to the big city. Pear. Warm spring day, nothing like a good Korean pear drink. And then a little Sam's Club run. always cheaper in bulk. Back at home, unloading all the groceries and things. It's pretty much what a day in the life looks like. Thank you for tuning in to today's vlog. I'm gonna close it off here. Texas has got a lot of land, it's got a lot of things to do, it's not a bad place to live. I moved out from California to out here to start a life, find a new opportunity, and just sharing with you what it's like out here. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.